What's up, my slime lovers? So today I have Dr. Puttys crystal clear putty, and I had unicorn colors, pink, well, two of them, pink and purple. And comment down below what the other unicorn color is. And I will be liking some of you guys' comments if you guys get it right. So make sure you press that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and press the little notification bell. So let's get straight on to the video. So this one hasn't been touched yet or anything. It's just been shook around. But look, it looks like it's been touched. It looks so foggy compared to the pink one. The pink one doesn't look foggy, but it does. This one does. But without further ado, let's open it. So you can sorta, kind of see it when you poke it. Yeah, kind of. So.
Holy crap! I might leave and turn my light. I might aim off this start. This is lagging hard.
This is so hard. I can tell why it's putty. It's so
Hold up. I'm gonna be right back.
hard.
I just dropped all my stuff.
But you can actually poke it.
I got a lot of that one broken building, like across the street from that. I don't know what it's called. I built up. You can see my building. I got right by what I built. Because I was coming to people with my game. Hold up, I'll be right back. Let me just start my game.
It's extremely hard. If I would have to, somebody told me this was slime, I would have been like, whoo-wee, this slime is very hard.
Every time you get shot, it's like, oh! Where's the water? Oh!
So, out of all out of 1 to 10, I would probably rate this slime or putty, maybe like a 5, cause like the quality is good. It's like real putty texture, but it came foggy when it really was supposed to came crystal clear like that. And somebody been already touching this. So I rated it a 5. And the quality of stretching is really good. So that's why I got all the way up to 5 instead of like a 4, 3, or 2. And you can poke it, but it's hard to poke. You have to put actual strength into poking.
Y'all eating sandwiches and noodles today. I'm gonna cook, but I don't feel like it. I'm gonna finish the leftovers and eat sandwiches and noodles, and that's it.
Okay. Let's get on to the pink one. Gotta put this away. Gotta put this away. So the pink. I'm gonna call it the pink. Yeah, the pink cotton. So the pink looks more translucent. Well, I'm about to open it so you guys can see. If I can open it, or if you like look inside the pink, like you can see my finger through it. And let's see what happens if you poke the pink cotton. Oh, that's cool. You can actually see my whole fingerprint and stuff. Oh, that is so cool. And you can see my nails. Oh, I'm about to put it with another finger. Oh, that's the coolest. Okay, let's go on this side. On this side. I'm going to do 3 fingers at a time. It would have been way cooler if I had glitter. Oh, my fingers are like fat and big. Yeah, I can't take them out. There you go. That is so awesome. Let's take it out and hope that it's still clear. Probably will be. Like, it's literally a pink translucent glob.
And some people come today?
No.
Fucking hard.
It said Tuesday.
It should make it hard. Oh my goodness. When I took it out, it shaped like a heart. Okay, let's focus.
What?
Oh, you can actually see my fingerprints on this side. When you need somebody's fingerprint, just like if they have fingerprint on a phone, just get their fingerprint on a piece of slime. Like take a slime that's not already been touched, just snip it off. Without. That's the second time.
Now when they come and Tuesday, whatever day this week, you just gotta be prepared.
And then just snip it off, and then just put it on their finger. And let it kind of just sit there.
I need a paper shotgun.
And then just peel it off. And then just put the side that you put the fingerprint on and put it on the like, look. You can actually see my fingerprint. Can't you guys see that? It's cool.
This is the blue slime.
Ooh. If I had to rate this 1 to 10, I would rate it probably like a 9. 9. Better, way better than this blue putty slime.
Who broke a bowl in here?
Damn.
Who?
Me. It was on accident though. I was trying to get a bowl for Uncle, but then it slipped out of my hand and it broke. La 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 la. Ooh.
Yeah, you killed me and I wouldn't. My stuff was lagging. That's why I had to get out the game. Because I you see my building. That's trash. Ugh.
I don't know.
L shape around.
When you get through, you better put that back on here.
Put what back on there?
That better, thing back on here. What is this crap?
Oh, it's Pocky.
What?
It's
You also?
banana chocolate covered
Hey,
biscuit sticks.
Oh, dang. Never mind. Hold on.
Is that Johnson?
Red.
Who?
Huh?
Is that Johnson?
No.
Oh.
This is Don Quiz and Ricky.
Oh, okay.
I'm
You
gonna
got to get your foot wasting this nest. You really are. You're done with it. You done?
I don't want it.
Well, that means you're done.
Should I mix the two putties together? Wait, let me mix. Stop. I'm about to mix a tad bit of the blue and a tad bit of the pink. Let me roll it up. I'm about to roll it up. I'm about to show you guys. That's the first one. That's the second. First one looks kind of weird. Then we put these together. And I'm about to see what...
It's gonna be a cotton candy cutter.
It looks so weird. Like there's not even a color difference.
Score.
Alright, y'all. I'm not cooking.
I'm about to just mix a half of it together.
We're gonna eat what's in here.
What score?
You're not cooking no
Chili.
Leftovers, they got noodles and sandwiches. That's what y'all eat.
I'm eating noodles tonight. Ramen.
You did, Rick. You did kill me twice. You killed me twice.
Let me make these into a ball real
Got
quick.
y'all leftover shrimp and all that, whatever.
Yeah, I might eat some leftover shrimps in a minute, and then I'm gonna eat some noodles tonight. And probably, wait, how many leftover shrimps are there? I'm gonna put some of the leftover shrimp inside of my noodles. Don't you think that would taste good? Good. Yeah, please roll those up for me.
Grandma, you said we eat noodles tonight?
Noodles and sandwiches, yep.
And they roll it like this.
So you not cooking today?
Nope.
Nasty.
Can you relax for a minute till I go to work?
Oh, you do got work today now. That's why you're not cooking. You gonna cook some Wednesday though?
No, I want to do that one.
You did it too long. Stop.
You and Brandon better take this
Still
trash
lagging
out.
on the legs?
I want to do that.
Oh, no, it's not right. It's not right.
But look at this purple one. It looks so shiny where I am right now.
And I don't want nobody drinking no more bottles of water. You drink jug water.
That's what
Like you can
That's what I'm doing.
even
Another bottle. Here.
see what color this is. The light is so bright.
And they got meat in here open in the refrigerator. That's what you eat, this sandwich meat that's already open.
Ooh, this one is already mixing.
You eat some noodles or the
It just
sandwich
wants
meat
to be
left over.
together.
Oh my God, I'm not playing this, bro.
Alright,
I'm not freaking playing this, bro. What's the egg, bro?
let's mix it together.
I'm not playing this. I think that's regular Xbox. The glitch. Score.
Oh, look what it looks like, guys. So first I'm gonna mix this one together. Janai, play with your toys real quick for me. So I have to mix these up real quick. Let's put these two on top of each other. You guys are gonna be able to see.
White food, but a pecan. Big girl, Puerto Rican. Take you out to Paraguay or California for the weekend. Ooh. Somebody told me you were trying to fight a dude because he was getting more girls than you ever. Homecoming, bro. Who told you?
So, trying to look for something.
Wait, hold on.
Stop. Move, Janaya. Play with your own toys.
I want to. That's why you got slime.
It's not funny. Let's mix these together. It looks like the pink is already turning purple.
Alright, go relax my nerves for a minute. Where who had this towel, y'all?
Yeah,
What, he washed his hair? Huh?
yeah.
I think I like this.
Oh, I need to wash this shower first.
Guys, look at the color. It's so pretty.
There ain't no interfering in matches when we play
Ew.
everybody for themselves.
Why would you do that?
Y'all know there's no showers until I wash this shower curtain. So if you need it, you taking a bath. You run water getting in the tub. Here, put this in y'all thing. Y'all hear me?
Yeah.
That's tonight.
That's why there's no showers. So I wash that shower curtain.
I'm not taking showers with sis.
You ain't gonna take no shower anyway.
I mean,
Girl, look, see my stuff. What?
bath.
What? What?
What's your foot doing now? Look at my book. Yeah, I'm really supposed to be open. I thought it should on my phone. I don't care. Yeah, throw this mess away. Y'all gonna get, who had this food up in here?
What food?
What food? On this couch.
Well, I didn't sit on that couch today.
Was
I've
there a
been-
baby over here?
Huh?
Was a baby over here?
No.
A kid?
No.
Well, it was one of y'all.
No, it was.
I was in Uncle room and then I went in your room. And I didn't come in the living room. If I came in the living room, I sat on the floor.
Me
Carrie, I
too.
definitely go there either. It better be put up with they can fold it.
I don't know why. I just sit on the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, look! I dropped it and it bounced on the slime.
Put this in your box. Now all that stuff go in this box when you get through. I don't care who it is. You go in the box.
Okay.
You put it up, you separate it, and you put it in the box.
And I rate this slime a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Ooh, 10 out of 10. Ooh, Grandma, do you still have that garlic butter sauce?
Right there.
Okay. So I'm about to eat me some shrimpa. So you want to save some shrimp for us to put in our noodles?
Yeah.
Spanish.
Put your stuff in there, put your stuff in there, and drop it in your box, and go put your box in the closet.
This
when
is
you're done.
mine. But you
If
can
you
put
need
it.
that, if you don't need no box, you don't need no bag, you don't need one. So you can put your stuff in the back in there.
Yeah, but
You
so
need a bag to keep up with your little pieces. Put it in that bag, though.
I'm gonna have to put my stuff away too. Oh snap! All right,
I think eat noodles with shrimp.
I am too. And tonight I might eat the leftovers.
Because I want up my contacted
All right, everybody. Make sure you spam those.
You said spam.
I know. Make sure you spam that like button and. There's a lot of slime in this one. And also make sure you hit the subscribe button once again. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see all the videos that I post. Peace.